jumping on today to review this pepper grinder that I have right here. This allows you to fully customize your pepper cracking experience, and I absolutely love it. They also give you this little brush right here. This is so that you can clean the pepper grinder as needed, but again, it's brand new, so we don't need to clean today. All right, now just to get into a few features of the pepper grinder. So around here, you'll see the twist portion. This is how you determine the ground size of your pepper. And then down here at the bottom, you have a removable little magnetic piece so that pepper grinds don't end up all over your counter when it is sitting and not in use. And then this little button right here on the top that has the P on it is how you remove the top so that you can add the peppercorns. So now we are ready to grind. Right now, I have it in the most coarse grind that it can do, which is essentially half cracked pepper. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. You can see those pepper grinds, they are definitely half cracked. Now, to get a finer pepper ground, we just are going to turn this. I'm gonna turn it all the way to the finest ground so you can see what that looks like. And right here, you'll see that when it goes past 10, this little 10 plus appears, so you know how many clicks you've gone. So we'll do a finer ground over here. So here is super finely ground. Here is the half cracked, and you can see there is a significant variation between the two and about 24 different ground levels in between. A lot of ways to customize it depending on what you're making, but if you're in the market, definitely check it out.